To begin troubleshooting, try verifying the integrity of your game files. Open Steam, go to your library, locate Broken Arrow, right-click on it and select Properties. Then go to the Install Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once the verification process is complete, relaunch the game to see if the issue has been resolved. If the error persists, try restarting both your device and your router. After rebooting, open the game again. You can also attempt connecting to a different internet network such as a mobile hotspot or a different Wi-Fi connection to rule out any local network issues. If none of these steps work, the issue is likely with the game servers. In that case, it's best to wait a few hours as server downtime is often temporary. However, if after waiting 2 to 4 hours you're still unable to connect, consider opening a support ticket. Visit the official support page from Slytherin, the publisher of Broken Arrow, and submit a ticket explaining that you're facing error code 101. In most situations, this error is due to temporary server issues or connectivity problems on your end. The steps outlined above should help you resolve the problem.